And it's a trust vote versus a no confidence motion as far as Rajasthan is concerned. All eyes on the assembly session tomorrow. You're watching NDTV. I'm Rishika Barwa and my colleague Harsha joins us from Jaipur on this big story. Harsha, what more can you tell us? It's going to be a trust vote versus a no confidence motion. Ashok Gehlot has a strategy to deal with the BJP, doesn't he?
Well, yes, absolutely. You know, just to preempt him, the BJP said that they will request the Speaker if they can bring a no-confidence motion in. But just at the CLP Congress Legislature Party meeting, which has just got over, Ashok Gehlot has said that he will be moving for a trust vote. You know, it's very, very clear, according to the rules, if the Chief Minister moves for a trust vote, that takes precedence over a no-confidence motion. So the Chief Minister will be allowed by the Speaker to move for a trust vote, that could be by a voice vote. We don't know how it's going to happen tomorrow. The reason the BJP wanted to do this was because they wanted to create a debate on what has happened in Rajasthan for the month. They wanted to talk about how it's been a government in abeyance. They wanted to put the government on the back foot, expose the factions and the fissures within. But clearly, if Ashok Gehlot can move for a trust vote, then he will do that first thing, and then may even adjourn the House, because they don't probably want to have, that will give them a 6-month reprieve. Remember, if you move for a trust vote, you get a 6-month reprieve and your government is safe for the next 6 months. Also, very interestingly, what he did say in the CLP was that I would have proved my majority even if these 19 MLAs were not there. Very, very significant by Ashok Gehlot. I would have proved my majority even if these 19 MLAs were not there, but it would not have been the same thing, because he said, apne to apne hi hote hai. They are ours and they belong with us. Rishika.
Right. Also, Harsha, very briefly, if you could explain to us, what does this mean when Ashok Gehlot as a Chief Minister plans to move a confidence motion? What does it mean? Can you bring us up to speed with the details?
Well, yes, it does mean that he wants to establish in the House that he enjoys the majority, that his government has the right to continue in office, and the desire of a Chief Minister to move a trust vote takes precedence over a no-confidence motion. So the Speaker will have to allow Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot to move for a trust vote, and when he does that, then for 6 months after that, they cannot challenge his government. So it's going to be very important for him to consolidate. I mean, politically, the interpretation is it will be very important for him to consolidate his position. And if you remember, all along, even before the BJP talked about a no-confidence motion, all along from day one, Ashok Gehlot was asking for an assembly session. He had the numbers. He may have been on the razor's edge, but he had the numbers. And now, of course, in a 200-member House, he's very comfortable with 125. But even when he didn't have the numbers, he still wanted an assembly session, and Congress sources had told us clearly that they were going to move for a trust vote right from the very beginning. That was part of their strategy.